Did you just come through the door?
Yes, I did. I came through the door. There's a door right here.
You know, there's no wall right here. You could just walk right through.
Well, I just thought it was the right thing to go through the door.
All right.
The door is there. I mean, doors are meant to be open. Think about doors in our lives. You open them and you go through them. That's what they're there for. They're doors.
I understand. Anyways, how you doing, Johnny?
Good to see you, Matthew. How are you doing?
I'm doing about a 7.
What do you mean by a 7? Like, what is that?
Like a scale of 1 to 10. Like, how am I doing? Instead of saying good, what does good mean? I'm telling you a number so you know precisely.
But if you're a 7, then that's not good because you want to be a 1. You want to be number 1.
No,
right?
no,
That's how it works, right?
1 to 10 scale. 10 is the best you possibly can be. 1 is being the worst you can be. It gives you a lot of options. You can even use decimals. You know exactly how I'm doing. Where you answer good, it's anywhere between a 2 to an 8. I have no idea.
But I thought you want to be in first place. Like, the Patriots are in first place, and that's good, or that's excellent, maybe.
I'm not asking you to rank order how you're doing compared to 9 other people, where if you're doing really well, you're saying I'm number 1. I'm saying on your own scale, where 5.5 is the middle, the average, how are you exactly doing? And by answering 6 or a 7 or even a 4, it gives you a lot of information, and then we can get the conversation going.
Yeah, but what if you don't want people to know exactly how you're doing? Like, maybe like you have a headache, you have a cold, you're in a bad mood, your cat, Bruce just died in a horrible car accident, and maybe you don't want people to know and you want to say, I'm fine, and it's vague. You could be anywhere from like a 2 to an 8.
But if you say I'm fine and you're vague, you're clearly lying to them. If you don't want to answer, just say, no thank you.
But you're not lying. It's just a number range from, say, an 8 to a 2, and you say, I'm fine.
I'm fine. Well, little Bruce passes away and you're fine? I don't think that you are.
No, I wouldn't be, but maybe I wouldn't want to talk about it. That's the whole point of saying I'm
Who
fine.
names their cat Bruce anyways? Another topic for another day. So the number system, assuming that you have the 5.5 being the average, you could have a variety of types. Should you have the same number of 10s as 9s as 5s? Or is there some sort of a bell curve? You can have that discussion with people. Get to know them a little bit better and how they really feel.
No, the whole point of language is people don't get to know you better. When I go to the hospital and they say how much pain you're in a scale of 1 to 10, I don't answer because I don't want to admit that I'm in pain. I mean, they should know that I'm in pain because of the fact I actually showed up and talked to them.
So you're saying when you go and you drive to the emergency room or get there via ambulance and they're trying to help you and they're asking clarifying questions, you decide you don't want to share that with them?
I'll say that I'm in pain, but I don't want to give a number because if I say I'm from, it really hurts bad. I don't want to admit that. Who wants to admit that?
But it's not just the numbers. Even for people like you who maybe not comfortable, they have the little smiley faces, like really happy or just a little bit angry or I'm really angry. You could just show the face.
Right, exactly. Like when I send an email, put a smiley face. It's saying it's a happy email. I'm not patronizing you by asking this question. I'm just asking a question. It's smiley face, happy face. But it's not a number. It's vague. That's the whole point of it.
And so if the doctor at the hospital says to you, for example, where does the pain hurt? You say, well, you figure it out. You're the doctor. That's kind of your
I would
motto.
tell them where the pain hurts. That's a little bit different because they would have to know that, but they wouldn't have to know how bad it is. I want to be like, look, I was in a lot of pain, but I was taking it so well. And I have a high pain tolerance and I'm tough. Yeah, it hurt, but for me it didn't hurt as bad.
But why not say that normally my pain tolerance is an 8, but now the pain is a 9, so they really know it's above your pain tolerance?
Yeah, but from my body language, my affect, they should be able to figure out, yeah, it hurts. I'm in pain.
So you want to make sure they truly can earn their money, minimize the amount of information they can get. That's your theory.
They have lots of information. I'm there so they can get information. I just don't want to admit that I'm in that much pain because that's just who I am.
Right. Don't help them out to be able to make you feel better. That makes a lot of sense. This explains why you use the door on the way in instead of walking through the non-wall area. That's great. All right, this is Johnny O'Sullivan. I'm Math with Matthew. Thanks for talking to us about numbers and his hospital visits.
I'll see you later.
All right. Thanks for using the door.
Goodbye. I'll see you later.